Wire cutters and wire stripping tools are essential for electricians, construction workers, DIY enthusiasts, and industrial professionals. Modern tools offer precision cutting, automatic wire stripping, cable trimming, voltage testing, and heavy-duty performance. Whether you're working on electrical installations, cable management, or construction projects, these versatile tools improve efficiency, safety, and accuracy. Number 5. High voltage LAOA 8-in-1 wire stripper pliers with voltage test. The LAOA 8-in-1 wire stripper combines multiple functions into a compact professional tool. It supports wire stripping, cutting, pulling, scraping, crimping, and includes a built-in voltage testing feature for added convenience. The durable metal construction ensures long service life while the multifunction design reduces the need to carry multiple tools. It is an excellent choice for electricians seeking efficiency. Number 4. Scissors Ratchet-Type Copper Aluminum Cable Cutter. This ratchet-style cable cutter is built for cutting thick copper and aluminum cables with minimal effort. The powerful ratcheting mechanism increases cutting force while reducing hand strain, making it suitable for demanding electrical work. Its precision cutting blades ensure clean cuts without damaging cable structure. Designed for professional electricians and industrial users, it delivers reliable performance when handling large diameter. Number 3. Electric Plug LAOA Automatic Wire Stripping Pliers. The LAOA automatic wire stripping pliers simplify electrical work with fast and precise wire stripping performance. Its adjustable mechanism automatically adapts to different wire sizes, reducing setup time and improving productivity. In addition to stripping insulation, it also functions as a wire cutter and cable nipper. The comfortable handle design provides excellent grip and control, making it a valuable tool for electricians, technicians. Number 2. Stainless Steel Cable Tie Fastening Cutting Tool. The cable tie plier is a specialized tool designed for fast installation and trimming of stainless steel cable ties. Featuring automatic tension adjustment and clean cutting functionality, it helps create secure and professional cable management solutions. The ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue during extended use, while the durable construction ensures reliable performance in industrial environments. It is ideal for electrical. Number 1. Multifunctional Heavy-Duty Wire Cutter Nail Removal Tool. This multifunctional wire cutter is designed for construction workers and industrial users who need a reliable all-in-one solution. It combines wire cutting, wire stripping, and nail removal functions in a durable heavy-duty design. The angled head improves accessibility in tight workspaces while the hardened steel construction provides long-lasting performance. Suitable for professional and DIY applications, it offers excellent. These wire cutters and stripping tools provide a combination of cutting power, precision, safety, and versatility. Whether you need automatic wire stripping, heavy-duty cable cutting, cable tie installation, or multifunction electrician tools, these products offer practical solutions for professionals and DIY users alike.